Osmo Mobile 6's Parents and Kids mode allows for quick shots, intelligent gimbal movement, and automatic capture of parent-child interaction highlights. You can fully immerse yourself in accompanying your children without constantly worrying about operating the gimbal. With the LightCut app, you can create short videos instantly by using the automatic editing function and various built-in templates in the app, making delightful records of the precious moments of your children.